Horse right here and throw it straight. Hard. Look at this, it's very dangerous. There's a two pointy head right here. Let me horse and throw it now. Whoa, you saw that? It's spin, it's fly so far. That's a cool thing about this. Horse right here, right? Horse right here. Throw it hard, like this. Ooh, ooh, it's crashed. No, it's flying far. It still flies very far. So let me try again. Okay. Let's go back there. Pick up. I need to fix the head though. The head is very important. If I don't fix the head or the nose, whatever you call, it's won't fly far. So we hold right here. Go back to this side. It's really hard. Sometimes it's spin, sometimes it flies straight only. So what's right here? Horse really hard. And for it now. Do it now. Horse. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look! It's spin and it flies. See, this is exactly how cool this plane is. It spin and it flies very far. What's this a cool plane, right? I always want to make a plane that can spin and flies far, and this is the only one that actually works well. Check it out. Whoa! Oh, so cool! Want to see it again? Okay, let me do it from here. Wow! Oh, so cool. Like, hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design, and I hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane along with me. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. But again, if you do not have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. That's a piece of cake, right? First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. So place the paper horizontally and fold it in half. Very simple. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Hold the paper down though. Okay. Press the paper down. Read the paper out. Read the paper out. I say down. Okay. Press the paper down. Make it clear. Press it down. Place it straight. Start from this edge for both sides to the center crease. Okay, so simple step for to the center crease. This side, leave a gap. Make sure that you leave a gap. Start from this side for to the center crease and press the paper down. Alright, so it's very simple already, but what will be the next step be? I will start from this edge forward to the center crease. Okay, forward to the center crease. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. Just the same fold for the other side. That's very easy. Okay, I'll just adjust the paper a little bit so that both sides are even. Now, wow, it's look cool, but is this something new, something that you expect? No, because it's a new paper airplane. We have to play around with it to make it new, right? So open the paper, and open the paper again, open the paper again. Next step, I'll fold the paper in half like this. I hold both sides all together and press the paper down. Hold both sides here, right? Press the paper down, press this out. Wow. I press this part of the paper out so that it looks straight. This is the whole point, guys. So let's fold it down now. Now, if you already know how to make this plan, raise your hand. If not, let me know. I say it's new, so probably you have never done it before. So on the following step, I'm going to show you how to do the head of the plane. Here, the head of the plant is tricky, so start from this side, fold to the center crease. Start from this side and fold to the center crease. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. So let me adjust it first. This will look nice. This is in the crease. Alright. Open the paper. Start from this side. Fold to this crease. Repeat the same fold. Start from this side. Fold to this crease. Okay. Alright. And now open the paper. Fold it up like this. Here we go. So you can have this powder paper look like this. Repeat the same fold for the other side. You can fold both sides here, up, up, until you can press this, and this will look awesome. Okay, so finish both sides already. Okay, very simple. Now I can hold the paper up and fold this part of the paper down. And I can have this upper part of the paper. Let's look pointy. Let's look cool, right? Rest the paper down. Rest the paper down. This look cool. This look cool. Rest it down. What I'm going to do next? See now the head is not strong enough. You can see here it's not strong enough. So I'm going to start from this side here and fold straight into the center. Just a little bit, guys. Do not fold straight down there. Just a little bit. Adjust it here. Rest it down. Press it down like this. So you can see how a very strong, nice looking head. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Fold straight in. So it's look nice. I just fold straight in like this so I can enhance the wings. That's why I can have very strong wings. Okay. Now it's look cool, right? And I can fold the paper in half like this. In half. Press the top down, press this side down, and now I can fold both sides of the wings down. Hold on. This is not what we want yet, okay? I'll start from here, first down here first. Down a little bit, so straight to the point here. Let me fold the wings down. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. I can fold this part of the paper down a little bit. Adjust the wings a little bit further. Press this down. Okay. Now I can hold the paper up. I can hold the paper up. So I can see the head of the plant look like this. Really cool, right? Let's open the wings. Make it look straight up. Really cool looking plant. Alright. So let me adjust it a little bit further. Well, now you finished the paper airplane, but it's fine. You need to fold the end of the wings up a little bit as well. So fold this part of the paper up here, this here up. That way you will have a long paper airplane, long wings with a strong head. Let me see if we can customize the head even more. Now it's look like this, but I think it's just not strong enough, so I place the paper down and make it stronger. So I fold it back in like this too, so the head looks stronger. Okay, I fold the head down this way. This will look very pointy and strong. I'll repeat the same fold for the other side as well. I fold straight forward and point it inward a little bit further, so that the head is strong enough to stay. Okay, so let me adjust it. Press the paper down. Wow, look at this guy. This is a very dangerous paper airplane with a very pointy head and long body. That's why have the plant fly far. If you do not fold this part of the paper down, it can just stay like this. It's big like this, right? This won't fly far because it's not strong enough. So we press this down on here. Make sure that you fold it down hard so that it stays nice and it will fly far. Otherwise, this won't fly far at all. So now it's look like this, right? Wow, look at the plant. It's look very dangerous, like a very dangerous paper plant. So I hope that you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe.